In this video I'm gonna show you what you need to fix before bad things happen on Honda Ridgeline first generation. What I'm talking about is this trim piece. This one's very nice and secure, and reason is the other one flew away. And if you look at this one, make sure you inspect yours, but it's getting pretty loose. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it instead of waiting for yours to fly away and then buying a new piece. They are pretty pricey. I'll start by removing this trim piece. Remove this cover. And remove this screw. And take out this piece. As you can see, nothing was holding it. Looks like all trim pieces that were holding it together also broke off. They all were supposed to be here, but obviously they're all gone. My understanding is to do it properly, like Honda would recommend, is you have to replace this piece, as all those plastic pieces, they all broken. What I'm gonna do is I'll just use 3M tape. But before doing that, I'll clean the surface here. Looks better. I'm gonna also use isopropyl alcohol to clean this surface, and I'll clean this surface as well. I'll be using this 3M tape, and I'll do it in a couple places. One of them is I'll actually do it right here. Have to keep in mind that when you're driving, the wind will start probably from here, the front of it. That's what we'll try to wrap it up. So this 3M tape gonna start from here. Here's how I decided to do it. This long 3M tape is gonna cover this outside edge. I decided to put just a little bit on this side because wind here is not gonna be as bad as on outside. Then I put a bunch of little ones here, and those gonna cover this portion. This one's not necessary, I just had a little bit more. Took a while to get the red tape out. Had to use tweezers for this job, but it's out pretty much everywhere except this. I got some extra here, which I'm gonna pull out once I install it. Alright, it's installed. Now I'll pull this one. Now I have to put something heavy here to keep it in place. Overnight probably. That will do it. Now I'll secure this screw back on. Now I'll put cover back on. And I'll let it stay like this for a night or two. 2 days passed, so it should be good now. Yeah, it holds really good. Pretty much just like this one. Let me know if you'll have any questions. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. I'll provide Amazon and eBay affiliate links for tools and products I used in this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.